Welcome back to GigaBits, the channel where we fix real tech problems fast. You open the EA Sports FC26 companion app or web app to manage your Ultimate Team, and instead of loading, you see this message. You are signed in to another device. You close everything, you refresh, you log out, and the error is still there. In 2026, this is one of the most common and frustrating FC issues. So what's actually causing it? This error happens when EA detects an active Ultimate Team session somewhere else, even if you don't see it. It's usually caused by EA FC26 still running on your console, Xbox Quick Resume or suspended apps, a stuck web app or companion app session, EA servers failing to clear old logins. And remember, EA only allows one active Ultimate Team session at a time. How to fix it properly. Fully quit FC26 and power off your console. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for EA servers to clear the session. Log in using only one platform, app or web, not both. Clear browser cache or reinstall the companion app. Disable VPNs and confirm you're using the correct EA account. This error isn't permanent. It just requires proper session cleanup and a little patience, not repeated logins. For more real fixes, Ultimate Team guides, and no BS solutions, follow GigaBits and subscribe for more.